This is the part 3 series on our ongoing series on data reseller business. Okay, if you have not been joining us in the series, we started this series not quite long ago, and we have talked about Airtel data, how you can buy Airtel and sell data as a Nigerian, is that for a personal use or for resellers. And also we also talk about how to purchase that of Glow data as a reseller or as a user in Nigeria. And then today we are going to be looking at how you can actually buy or say corporate data gifting as a Nigeria for your users or for your own self. Okay, now this series is an ongoing series, and we are looking at a way in which you can start data reseller business in Nigeria using a platform which we call Instant Mobile Nigeria. And then in the previous video, we have said that Instant Mobile is one of the oldest platforms that has existed since the era of telecommunication business in Nigeria. Is the era of 2015 up to this moment, and is working as you can see. And of course the company behind it is very powerful, and of course we are here to make sure you are getting value for what you are being paid. Okay, in terms of like so many other platforms that maybe if you want to recharge for like airtime or data or even other bill payment is not going to, but here in Instant Mobile everything is instant, as just like the name states. So but we are looking at a way in which you can start this business or also do it as a personal kind of recharging platform. So when you log in, registration is very free. You can use the description in this link to register for free. It's free, you don't pay anything to register. The first thing you have to do, and we have been highlighting it in other reviews on other product, other data services like Airtel, we make a review on that. Also on Globe, we also make a review on that. The first thing you have to do first is to fund your wallet. People that are registering without funding your wallet, you cannot be able to perform these tasks. Okay, so you have to fund your wallet by going to the left hand side menu sections and click on the fund wallet. Okay, so when you click on that fund wallet, you'll be able to be presented to these options. Here is ATM payment. The ATM payment is not working for the meantime, so you have to click on bank details. So when you click on bank details, you can able to see the bank to make payment, which is unique recharge solution, Access Bank, Access Diamond Bank. You select that in your mobile app, and of course send any amount from 500 and above, and of course to the account number which is displayed on the screen right away. After which you now have to submit your payment notification, which of course you can see the details on this page. Okay, all you have to do is to click on, go down at the left hand side of your screen. You can see it, you can see payment notification there. Just click on that payment notification. When you click on that payment notification, you'll be taken to a place where you are to fill up a little form in notifying the admin about your payment. Okay, you all have to do is fill this form and then click on submit, and then within 30 minutes your wallet to be funded. And then we are using this opportunity to announce to everybody that Instant Mobile Nigeria and the company are always online 247 to able to serve you in any best capacity. So you do not have to be worried about, we don't have a break in the business, okay, from Monday to Monday. Okay, so you be rest assured of quality services. You can contact us, SMS or chat us, and of course write on email to us. Most privileges will be given to this application, as in like how you can be able to communicate effectively, even WhatsApp call to actions, and of course group link will be given, will be stated on this very app very soon. So stick with us in the channel, subscribe, like, share this video, so that when all these updates are being done, you'll be able to be notified right away. So once you have found your wallet, you can see I have a balance of 448 naira at the moment. All I have to do is to click on home. Just click on home. As you click on home, then you look for the product you want to purchase. Right now I want to purchase MTN Corporate Data Gifting. So all I have to do is to click on MTN Corporate Data Gifting. So when I click on this place, the first thing I have to do, you can see the checking balance. You can, what you use to check the balance of the data when it must have sent the data. So all you have to do is to come here on the plan sections, the place where you see plans. So you look for the plan in which you want to subscribe for that particular number. Okay, so here I want to subscribe for 1 gig, and you can see that here 1 gig is 230 naira per gig, and that's one of the cheapest plan ever on the internet as it stands for now. So of course most platform like this are selling as high as 290, 260, 240 and thereabout. But here on Instant Mobile, you are getting that at a very cheap rate. Okay, so that is to show you that we give you only but value. So once you have selected that, you can then click to add the phone number in which you want to subscribe the data. Okay, so I'm gonna just quickly enter the phone number. I want to subscribe the data. The customer, this is a customer, I want to subscribe to the data, so I'm gonna type the phone number. Okay, make sure you don't make mistake, because if you make any mistake here, the data will be delivered to another recipient. I make this emphasis in other previous videos. Okay, on Airtel I make this emphasis, so it's very sensitive here. You enter the right number so that the data will not go to another recipient that you don't want to subscribe. So after entering the number, you must cross check that the number is correct, and of course, so that you shouldn't go ahead and subscribe for the data in a wrong number. So the number is correct, and I can see the amount I'm to pay. So I'm click on continue. Just click on continue. So here you can see the order summary. The system is trying to tell you this is what you want to buy, this is the subscription and all that. Okay, the place where you see the email is actually the phone number in which you have supplied. So I'm going to click on pay with wallet. Just click on pay with wallet, and then the system will authenticate the transaction and say successful. So the system has just been sent that data to that recipient. So all you have to do is to click OK and then click on continue. When you click on continue, you can see the invoice, which you can print this invoice and give your customer as an evidence that you have subscribed the data for him or her. Okay, if it is your personal use, there is no problem about that. You can also look for the invoice. Every details are transparent here. If there is any issue as regard to your suspicions, maybe it was successful and it wasn't delivered, kindly contact support line right away, an SMS or WhatsApp, and our support team is there to attend to all your needs. So this is how you can subscribe for data, buy data at cheap rate, especially MTN data at cheap rate on Instant Mobile Nigeria. This is Logical Business Online TV, a place where we teach you online information marketing business. Well, please subscribe, like, share this video, and of course remember my quote: I want to see you at the top, I want to see you at the bottom. Thanks and God bless.